Clubbing here in London, it's one of the most beautiful city when it comes to clubbing and life. Living life, going to different cities, right on the beach of Brighton, right outside the club in this lovely, fantastic summertime where everyone greet and come together and have one of the most beautiful day of their life. This is a big vibes. This is where everyone literally enjoy and the whole of the party will go on all night. The party will just go on and on right into that sunset. Haha. Where the party never ends, guys. Right
Simple
on
life with
go, right into the sunset.
Right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really good price, you know. So come here to Marrakesh, guys. The Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. You got such amazing color in it. Look at that. Oh, ate masarap lang. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Rocket video is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. You know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.